Hello everyone. I've been always thinking to get a microphone because some of the videos that I took, I couldn't post it because the audio was terrible. So in order to increase the quality of the video, I invested on a microphone, which is not that expensive. So we are going to unbox this and see. I got this on Prime, so let's open and see. So it is the Boya microphone. Okay, that's a warranty card, and this is the user manual. This has, you need a battery to operate this if you are connecting to a camera, or else you don't need that battery. If you're connecting to your cell phone, you don't need. So it comes with a pouch, which is really handy. It's written Boya. So it comes with a battery, the tie pin, and the 3.5 mm connector. But this goes to your amplifier or your audio recorder. So that's the adapter. So this goes in here, and this goes to your recorder. Here is the microphone. This is where you toggle between camera and the smartphone. And I see the wind filter. It comes with one wind filter. So let's open and see this. And that's the battery. Today is Canada Day and there's a lot of fireworks outside. That's why my little dog goes crazy. Okay, just slide this in carefully without tearing it. Okay, that looks good. And then it clips on here. So that's basically it. So I'm hoping to post my forthcoming videos using this. So hopefully my audio will be better than the previous one. Let me do an audio test before I end this video. Currently you are hearing from my cell phone microphone. So let me read a passage which I have here, and then I'll switch over to the Boya microphone. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Now I'm going to switch to the Boya microphone. So now you are hearing from the Boya microphone. How does my audio sound? Let me read that passage again. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. How does the audio sound? So I'm currently a meter away from my camera, so my camera audio should also pick up well. This is my new Boya microphone. I don't know if it can pick up the audio. Anyway, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like my videos. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Happy Canada Day.